Hello and welcome. My name's Yolanda and I work for American Corp as a mentor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have the children do 3 different segments. The first one, we want to start with the alphabet. You ready, kids? Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to sing the ABCs, but we're going to do it slowly. Okay? So here we go. Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Very good. Give yourself a little clap. You guys did a wonderful job. Parents, as you can see, we made sure to sing it slowly, so not to combine those letters that we did as we were younger, those L, M, N, O, P. We want to make sure that our kids are hearing those so that they can repeat them. And at the end, we don't want to add the and because it's really not in the alphabet in any other part. So we're just going to take that out. So one of the things that I wanted to make sure that you knew is that on the website, there's this great song that's called Ally Alligator. Some of the kids might even already know it. On the website, all you have to do is write down Ally Alligator. Once you've done that, you have a selection of watching videos by other persons. Also, in addition to that, you might even find the cards to show you. And what's so great about this is that it's not only telling you the letter, but it's rhyming, and it's also telling you the sound. It's telling all the kids the sound of the letter. And that's really important because when we get to the next part, we want to make sure that our kids are able to know not only the letter, but the sound. So when we get to the other segments. The other part I wanted to do is called nursery rhymes. Nursery rhymes are really great, kids, because they're fun, they're funny, and mom and dads may remember these rhymes even from when they were a child. Now, when we start, we're going to only say part of the rhyme. We're not going to say the whole thing, just part. So, today we say part of the rhyme, and then we follow up another day. So, if we want to start with, let's see, how about Little Miss Muffet? Yeah, okay, kids. What I want you to do is, all I need you to do is listen, and then when I'm done, you can repeat it with me. All right, here we go. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet. Right? Oh, yeah, some of you might even know that. Let's say it together. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet. Now, that's not the whole rhyme, kids, but we'll get to the ending part another time. That was really fun, wasn't it? Well, Mom and Dad, when you're looking for things to do as we're at home, you can maybe make some Play-Doh. There's a great recipe online, and it's from, let me check here. It is from the imaginationtree.com. Let me say that again. theimaginationtree.com. And on there, you'll find some great recipes to making Play-Doh. And while you're making Play-Doh, and your kids are molding it and squishing it, you might want to keep reminding them and saying your nursery rhymes. The next segment we want to get into is the repetition skills. Here we will be saying, I will be saying the two words, okay kids, 2 words, and they are rhyming words, okay? And I'm going to say them, and then you are going to repeat. So here we go. The first one is mat, sat. Your turn. Good. Let's go to the next one. Hug, rug. Very good. The next one is miss, kiss. Remember, listen to the end of the word. Miss, kiss. Very good. The next one is red, bed. Excellent. And for the last one is sat, pat. Very good. And parents, when you're working with these, you might even want to do it while they're having a bath or while they're waiting maybe for a meal. Another great thing to do with rhymes is go back to your nursery rhymes and see if they can come up with some silly ones. Okay, and let's see, one more. How about I say this? When you're driving in your car, when you're able to get out, you might want to also try some of these segments, as in saying the letters or their sounds and repeating nursery rhymes. And the last one was the repetition. So words that sound the same, that rhyme. This is really important, parents, because for the next parts of the segments in the next video, we want to make sure that our children are able not only to tell us the letter, but able to tell us the sound. Thanks for now. I'll see you later. Bye.